up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm reviewing Medchain ICO. Well, Medchain ICO is rebuilding, rebranding the healthcare industry. As you know, patients has record in different hospitals, both government and private hospitals. One of the major problems is hackers has access to most of this confidential information, and in fact in some countries, in developing countries, the, the, the data of patients is not secured at all. It's not well recorded. Medchain offer the solution to help care for all the records of medicals or hospitals and patients, so that in a sense everything they have, all the information about patients will be secured. Hackers will have no access to it, and it's going to be easier to get access to. Let's check this ICO out, and the website is beautiful. There's an explainer video here you can watch, and you see what it's all about. Now let's check out the team: Joachim Sandgaard, Steve Wister, Eric Laflèche, and you can see there. Now let's check this Atamplu community manager. No, just this.
My name is Ethan, and I'm just here to tell you my story and how I'm involved in the healthcare industry. I've been in the Army for a little over.
So this is Ethan. So why I'm playing you this is for you to know that these guys are real. This is not a scam. So if Ethan can show his face, he can be giving a presentation. It shows that they have nothing to hide. This project is genuine, is real. The advisors they have here. The advisors are huge, and they know a lot too about cryptocurrency. Now look at this, what Joe Biden says, former vice president of the US, we see a lot of issues about medical patent information. Now let's go to the social. You can go to Twitter and you will find 8,848 followers. This is huge. I'm following, and you encourage you to follow too, and you will see different news and information. You can see so everything you need. The white paper is well put together, 57 page. The paper is beautiful, and they have total supply of 1 billion. But what they are saying is the initial supply is going to be 100 million token. So I encourage you to go through the white paper and go through it, read it one after another. It helps you to know more about the project and what it's all about. Telegram, 10,772 members. This is huge. This is humongous, and I'm really impressed by the number. The community is big. And Medchain.global, this is the information about Medchain. So what is my thought about Medchain? I strongly believe this is a strong ICO. This is a real ICO. They are helping the medical industry, the healthcare industry, to keep the record of patients and to keep it secure. I can say that the team members are real. They are not scammers. And if the team members come together as they have been and fulfill their promise, I believe this project is going to be huge. But please do not forget, anything I've said in this ICO reviews of Medchain is strictly my personal opinion. Do your own due diligence, read the white paper, and I'm going to drop the link below for you to sign up for this ICO. Thank you very much for watching my video. I love you guys. I love you a million times. And please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell, so that when I bring new videos, you'll be among the first to watch my video. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.